Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. If your iPhone is showing iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or iPhone is disabled and you don't remember the passcode, then this video is for you. This usually happens when the wrong passcode is entered too many times. After that, the iPhone protects itself and stops you from opening it normally. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you that how to fix this problem. Before we start, there are two important things you need to understand. First, if you forgot your iPhone screen passcode, fixing it usually requires resetting the iPhone. This can erase the data stored on the device, including photos, videos, apps, messages, contacts, and other files. If you already have an iCloud backup, computer backup, or another iPhone backup, you may be able to restore your data after the reset. Second, screen passcode and activation lock are not the same thing. The screen passcode is the password you use to open the iPhone. Activation lock is connected to the Apple account already used on that iPhone. So after resetting the iPhone, if it asks for the Apple account and password, you must use the account already linked to that device. This is normal, and I will explain it again later in the video. This tutorial is only for your own iPhone and legitimate recovery purposes. Now let's start. Here you can see my iPhone is stuck on the iPhone unavailable screen, the passcode is not available, and the iPhone is not opening normally. For this tutorial, I am using Tenorshare for UKey. You will find the official download link in the video description. Now open the Tenorshare for UKey website on your computer, download the software, and install it. After installation, open Tenorshare for UKey. Here you can see different tools inside the software. It includes options for iPhone screen passcode reset, screen time passcode, Apple account related options for your own device, MDM related tools, iTunes backup encryption, password management, factory reset, and activation lock guidance for supported devices and supported iOS versions. In this video, our main focus is fixing the iPhone unavailable screen, so we will choose the iOS screen passcode option. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. If the software asks you to put the iPhone into recovery mode, follow the steps shown on the screen. For newer iPhones, quickly press volume up, quickly press volume down, then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Once the iPhone is detected, check the device information on the screen, make sure the model and iOS version are correct. Now click download to download the firmware package. This file can be large, so wait until the download is complete. Keep the iPhone connected during this process. Before you continue, remember again, this process will reset the iPhone and can erase the data stored on the device. Continue only if this is your own iPhone and you understand this warning. The software will begin fixing the iPhone unavailable screen. During this process, your iPhone may restart, show the Apple logo, or show a loading bar. This is normal. Do not disconnect the iPhone, just wait until the process is complete. Once it is finished, the iPhone will restart. Now you can set up the iPhone again and use it normally. Choose your language, select your region, connect to Wi-Fi, and continue the setup. Now this next part is very important. After resetting the screen passcode, some iPhones may stop on the activation lock screen during setup. This does not mean the passcode reset failed. It simply means the iPhone is still connected to the Apple account that was used on this device before. To continue, enter the Apple account and password already linked to this iPhone. If this is your own iPhone and you forgot your Apple account password, use Apple's official account recovery. If you have valid proof of purchase, you can contact Apple support for official help. Tenorshare for UKey also provides activation lock guidance for supported devices and supported iOS versions. So if your iPhone stops on the activation lock screen, you can check that section inside for UKey and also check the official compatibility details first. Do not assume every iPhone or every iOS version is supported. Always check your device model and iOS version before using that feature. And again, use it only for your own device. So that's the complete idea. The iPhone unavailable screen is a screen passcode problem. Activation lock is an Apple account protection screen that may appear after reset. When you reach the apps and data screen, you can choose how to bring your data back. If you have an iCloud backup, restore from iCloud. If you have a Mac or PC backup, restore from computer. If you do not have any backup, you can set up the iPhone as new. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tutorials, iOS fixes, and recovery guides. Thanks for watching. This is iOS Pro Hacker, and I'll see you in the next video.